A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking development, the U.S. Justice Department has launched a criminal investigation into Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, focusing on allegations of mortgage fraud. This inquiry has intensified scrutiny on Cook's financial dealings, particularly concerning her properties located in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and Atlanta, Georgia. The investigation reportedly involves the issuance of subpoenas and the use of grand juries to gather evidence. The allegations suggest that Cook may have submitted false information on her mortgage applications, potentially committing both occupancy fraud and tax fraud. Specifically, it is alleged that she improperly designated her Atlanta condominium as her primary residence just 2 weeks after securing a loan for her Ann Arbor home, which she also claimed as her primary residence at the same time. The implications of these actions, if proven true, could have serious legal consequences for Cook, as well as political ramifications for the Biden administration. The investigation is being coordinated by Ed Martin, the Justice Department's weaponization czar, who is tasked with overseeing inquiries into alleged misconduct by government officials. This scrutiny comes at a time when Cook is already embroiled in a lawsuit against President Donald Trump, who recently attempted to remove her from her position on the Federal Reserve Board. Cook's legal team argues that her removal was politically motivated and discriminatory, pointing out that she is the first Black woman to serve on the Federal Reserve Board in its 111-year history. The case has been assigned to Judge Jack Cobb, a Biden appointee, who has ties to Cook through their shared membership in the Delta Sigma Theta sorority. This connection raises questions about potential bias, prompting calls for the judge's recusal from the case. As the investigation unfolds, the political landscape is becoming increasingly volatile. Republican leaders, including Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, have voiced concerns about the implications of Cook's alleged actions, framing them as part of a broader pattern of misconduct within the Biden administration. Meanwhile, public opinion appears to be shifting, with a recent Pew Research poll indicating that 50% of Americans hold an unfavorable view of the Supreme Court, reflecting growing discontent with government institutions. The situation is further complicated by the ongoing debate surrounding gun rights and the recent Minneapolis church shooting, which has prompted discussions among senior Justice Department officials about potential restrictions on firearm possession for transgender individuals. In the midst of these controversies, the economy is also facing challenges, as U.S. private sector hiring rose less than expected in August, signaling potential trouble in the labor market. This economic backdrop adds another layer of complexity to the political dynamics at play, as both parties seek to position themselves ahead of the upcoming elections. As the investigation into Lisa Cook continues, the implications for the Federal Reserve and the broader political landscape remain to be seen. With the stakes high and public scrutiny intensifying, all eyes will be on the developments in this unfolding story. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.